Hi, I'm Valerie Lopez. I'm a nationally certified acupuncture physician. I hold a master's degree in Oriental medicine and herbal medicine. I practice acupuncture, homeopathy, and provide nutritional counseling for my patients. I've asked a couple of them to share their healing stories with you. Take a look.
I first came to see Valerie probably 5 years ago, and at that time I was having problems with my lower back. Prior to that, I went and had massages, chiropractor, etc., and it was a quick cure. That would help me for a day or two. I would feel fine, but after that, going back to work, doing different things, my back would cramp up on me again. She was the first one who actually took the time to sit and talk with me and kind of do a little more in-depth study into what was going on with me. And at that time, she realized that it wasn't a problem with my back at all. It was my hamstrings. Concentrated on my hamstrings, gone. It's been 5 years maybe, and haven't had a single problem with my back since then.
You sit down with Valerie, she talks to you, she knows you, and you're comfortable. You can tell her anything. You're not intimidated, you're just comfortable.
Having suffered a back injury and experiencing pain such as I've never felt before, pain so sharp that I literally could not sleep, I decided to try acupuncture. After that first visit, the level of pain went from 100% to less than 20. And after a second visit a couple days later, the pain was entirely gone, and it hasn't recurred.
I came to Dr. Valerie because I have a chronic illness.
Having trouble putting my arm up, and now I can. Acupuncture was new to me. I'd never had it done before. At first I was a little apprehensive, and as soon as I walked through her office door, she was very open, very friendly, and we sat down and probably spent an hour just going over my life and everything that has to do with me, which was surprising. I actually was impressed that she took the time.
I think it was about 2 years after that. I woke up one morning and it felt like somebody had taken a baseball bat to my knee, just completely in pain, like there was no tomorrow. I couldn't move. That lasted, I think, about 2 weeks before I broke down. I went to see a orthopedic surgeon. Took an MRI. He told me that my meniscus was degenerated, it was going to tear shortly, and we'd have to do surgery. Well, not a big fan of that, so came and I seen Valerie again. We did some pretty intense acupuncture and laser therapy for, I believe, about 3 or 4 weeks. And after that, things just started feeling pretty good. And now I'm running marathons, doing triathlons, haven't had a single problem with the knee. I can't say enough about what Valerie and acupuncture has done for me. I just absolutely am a firm believer in it.
I actually find myself being totally relaxed, and to the point where I fall asleep on the table. I mean, it's that relaxing. I don't want it to end.
I feel incredible after a visit with her.
Dr. Valerie Lopez is an excellent practitioner of holistic healing.
You can actually really feel your muscles or whatever that tension is starting to release. And that's it's pretty cool.
You just feel so special. You feel the healing on the way there. You feel like you're walking this far off the ground when you leave there. It's physical and emotional. It's the best.
Thanks for visiting my website. While you're here, I hope you browse around, and I invite you to join my mailing list. This is Dr. V, wishing you all good things.